Hello and welcome to the marble machine demonstration and assembly. Assembly is straightforward. I'll show you how to do that in this video. So you have the main body here. This is the main marble machine. You have the cap that goes on top with a directional arrow on which way to turn. You have the winder. This goes inside there and turned, and of course the last one, I should show you this, the first one. This is the screw, and the screw goes in here. Notice that this goes on top. This hex key is on top while this is at the bottom, so it goes inside, and the cap goes next, and the winder goes inside the hex and you turn it. Before I assemble, I'll show you the principle on how it works. So it comes with the marbles, and there's 3 paths on this marble machine. You have path 1, path 2. Well, path 1 goes from here, and then path 2 goes from this guy, the big circle. It goes down and around and goes inside. And path 3 comes from, you can see back there. So there's 3 paths, and I think path 3 comes from out from here, and it goes around and it goes in there. So the whole idea is that there's 3 paths. So when it goes to the bottom, this screw, if you can see it, this screw here, there's 3 separate paths, each corresponding to a different path. When the marble's down there, the screw goes inside the grooves, and as you turn, it picks up the marble. It picks up the marble going up the vertical shaft until it reaches the top, and each will go to separate paths. So, and the more faster you rotate, each will go into the different path, and it'll go quickly the more you rotate, so it looks like simultaneous marbles traveling along different paths. So assembly is straightforward. What we want to do is put this in, put the screw in first. And what I like to do is put in one of the marbles inside a path like the front here, and just turn it, turn the screw so this way you can see the marble being picked up. And there you go, I could feel it. If you could see the marble, there's a marble. See, if I turn it the other way, it comes out. You want it to be a point where you don't want to push down too hard, just slightly, so this way it freely turns. If you do push down too hard, it won't freely turn, and you won't be able to smoothly turn this. So we saw the marble go up the screw, so I'm going to take off the winder, and now I'm going to put the cap on. You might have to squeeze it in so it can fit. Okay, now that the cap's on, we put the winder back in. Kind of feel for it. That goes inside the hex, and there we go. And now we're winding it all the way. And that's one marble. It went down this path. So you want to put and distribute the marble along each path, so you have the same amount of marble on each path. I put 1, 2, put 3 marbles here, and repeat for each path. You get a certain number, I don't know, over 20 or so per the listing, and you want to consecutively and even distribute the marbles, so as you turn, each of them will go up the corkscrew, and you'll see the effect of it when you turn this really fast. So that concludes the assembly instructions. Thank you.